And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the nice products that I have used that is working perfectly well. Listen, if you want to brighten your complexion and you don't want those harsh chemical products, this product is what you need. My God, this product is very good, honestly, and people that have made use of this product, and when I'm going to show you the product, you will know that this product indeed is a good product. They have different kinds of their products in the market, but this particular body cream, body lotion, I'm going to be showing you. This cream works beautifully and perfectly well. You know, like I usually say, if you can lay your hands on any original product, it will work better and based on your skin. Okay, you will love the result. Sometimes the reason why product is not working on our skin is because we buy the fake products. Okay, sometimes we buy the fake products and we are complaining, oh, it's not working and all that and all that, and another person uses the product and tells you that, oh, the product is nice, it's good and all that, and you're wondering, how come I bought the same product, it didn't work for me? The difference is because you bought the fake one. And sometimes your skin needs to be exfoliated for the cream to work perfectly for you. So when people tell you, I use this product, it works for me, and you make use of it and it's not working for you, and you bought the original of the product, find out what did they use before they make use of the product. You know, there's a secret to using skincare product. Some of us, we exfoliate our skin. Some people, they make use of soap that is very active on the skin. And when you are making use of soap that is not active on your skin and you have a stubborn skin, and also get to find out the kind of skin that you have. Do you have a normal skin? Do you have a stubborn skin? Do you have a sensitive skin? Do you have dry skin? Do you have oily skin? So these are the things. If you don't know, you just go and buy product because people are talking about, oh, this product works and all that, and you say, oh, let me go and make use of the product. At the end, you start blaming the product. Sometimes it's not the product, sometimes it's fake, or sometimes it's your skin type, or sometimes you need to use active soap with the product, or sometimes you need to exfoliate your skin to get rid of the dead skin cells for the cream or for the oil or for any skincare product to work for you. Sometimes even medication, you need to undergo some certain treatment for some certain medication to work for you. Okay, so the cream I'm talking about here is this amazing product right here, Jennifer Lopez Secret Body Lightening Moisturizing Lotion. Pink rose right here. So this is a pink rose. It's an exclusive lightening and moisturizing body lotion. Lightening body milk as well. So it has lots of moisture that will lock into your skin and give you that glowing, beautiful, glass polished, smooth satin skin. Yes, I'm talking about this cream. This cream works beautifully. If you can lay your hands on the original of this Jennifer Lopez Secret Body Lotion, this body milk works perfectly well. Okay, if you have made use of the product, it's not working, like I said, can combine it with active soap. There are lots of active soap like mulatto soap, whitening black soap, or also you can add some things. Okay, sometimes skincare product is not working on your skin, please try and pro-mix your cream. Yes, try and pro-mix your cream, not with harsh chemical product. You can just add one lightening oil or and lightening serum into your cream. Okay, it's very good. It's very, very good because that alone, the serum and the oil alone, works on different things on your skin as well. And also try to exfoliate your skin, because when you exfoliate your skin, even while using just this alone, I'm telling you the truth, you will see active result. Just this alone, even without mixing anything. If you are pro-mixing it or with oil or serum, probably because you just want a more active effect, or you want your skin to look more moisturized and oil and all that. But try and exfoliate your skin. They have different types of body scrub out there.